Today we bring a portable water floss. If you guys seen these, they're pretty awesome little machines, especially if you're gonna go to a dentist and they have a similar machine, but now you can have it at home. So we're gonna take a look at it and see what you get when you get something like this. And we'll put it to use. So I have a child that has braces, and this is perfect because they can't really floss very well. This machine will be a perfect item for them. So we're gonna test it out and see how well it works, if it's easy to use. So let's open it up and see what you get. Just to let you guys know, the vendor was kindly enough to send this out for us for review. So let's go ahead and take a look. So this is pretty much what you get. You get the actual base itself. It's chargeable through here. You remove the plastics, of course, and then you just charge it up because make sure you water protect this with the plastic if you're not going to reuse it. Also, keep it on every time you travel. If there's any moisture, you don't want it to mess up the electronics. Now, you got the power button, your modes, you got your normal, soft, and then your pulse. Your channels are here, different channels, of course. And then it has a grip. It's like pretty much like a spray water, pretty much. And you can even see the actual part of it in the bottom. And easy to remove, to replace. Fill it up with clean filter water. Try not to use faucet water if you can. There is a draining system here, so you could drain it out and dry it up. Like I said, just make sure you maximize it. You don't have to maximize it. You could use it as much as you want. You could keep it there in your bathroom or somewhere out where it's secure, as long as you maintain the water flow. Now, as much as you want to, you could throw enough water and then refill it up if you want. There's a button here. This is to actually change out the actual different knobs that you have. And we're going to go through every single one. So they give you 3 of the same ones. And these are pretty much just the pressure washers that you could floss your teeth with. And these are pretty strong as it is. They come with it. These are replaceable. Every single item here is replaceable. So once you use it for quite a while, you don't want to continue on the moisture because fungus does grow on these things. So you got to make sure you keep them dry and dry them out before you actually put them in any kind of enclosure, right? Now they give you that one. They give you one with a rubber end, and they're different tones, all right, that you're gonna have to try every single one. This is actually a pretty good one. This actually isolates the teeth if you want to just maintain the top of the tooth. You can actually do that. There's different types. There's actually a smaller, higher pressure one. So this is going to be more concentrated. And then, of course, they give you the basic one and isolated one. So you can actually get a little closer to a tooth and it won't spray back. It has a little shield protector. So we're going to test these out. And, of course, prior to that, you got to make sure you charge it up because if you want it to last a couple hours, you got to maintain that charge. So let's go ahead and test this out and see what you get. But before you do that, make sure you clean these because they've been on the box. They've been in, and they're like not very, there's dust around the particles. So make sure you isolate and you clean them and sanitize them before you actually starting to use it. Because, all right, if you guys can see, I filled it up to the max on the level and I have it charging right now. But remember, this is chargeable. You could drain the water here from the end at the end. Here's the main important thing. So we're going to use this one, and this one has the actual rubber end. I like that a lot. What you do is you need to hold down this button here, and this button's right here, and then you just crank it in there. So if you have a kid that has plenty of braces and you want to make sure in between there, we're going to go and show you how to do it. So go ahead and show you guys how it shoots. That's pretty much what it's doing. So let's go ahead and use it. And when you first push the power button off, there it is. The part that you can put that little thing anywhere. It's like flossing. But the water's a little cold too. Soothing. You forgot that you had too much. See? So you got to remember. All right, so besides brushing your teeth, when you're brushing your teeth, this is a great companion. You could do it before and after, and it's very soothing also for the teeth. So I hope you guys like the video.